everybody, it's Julie Marie and I'm here in the Protective Diet Test Kitchen, and I wanted to show you I am blending up my fermented salsa. You can see I did it in the food processor this time around. This is the brine left over from my salsa that I drained off, and I just wanted to show you how to make your salsa chunky. I have my baked tostadas here, and look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, you have to get to those fermentation recipes. This salsa is like nothing. It's nothing you've ever tried. It's out of this world. To show you how much fermented salsa one batch on a Protective Diet makes. This is a quart, and then I have 2 dishes here. Of course, I put a dish out for me and a dish out for Jerry, because he might pace himself faster than me. And look at how delicious this is on baked tortilla chips. These are just baked tostadas that I cracked into chips, and I will top my pro bowls, my rice bowls, all my grains with this fermented salsa. Fermenting salsa multiplies the lycopene in tomatoes and makes it even more bioavailable and protective on a protective diet. And don't toss out that brine. Use it in this week's recipe for fermented pizza sauce. Nothing goes to waste on a protective diet. Take care and best of health.